blessed Son, hail in the time appointed, his reign on earth begun. He comes to break oppression, to set the captives free, to take away transgression and rule in equity. He comes with succor speedy to those who suffer wrong, to help the poor and needy, and bid the weak be strong, to give them songs for sighing, their darkness turn to light, whose souls condemned and dying were precious in his sight. To him let praise unceasing and daily vows ascend. His kingdom still increasing shall be without an end. The tide of time shall never his covenant remove. No, it shall stand forever, a pledge that God is love.